Today, I'm making my delicious homemade chili from scratch. After washing the peppers, cut off the tops. Then cut them in half and cut out the seeds and the membranes. And then pop out the stem from the pepper tops. This chili is so hearty and full of healthy ingredients. I know you're going to love it. Now, just roughly chop the peppers into pieces. Now, this recipe does make quite a bit. If you find it's too much, all you got to do is cut the recipe in half. After peeling the onions, cut them in half and then dice them. Also, I'm using all organic ingredients in this recipe. Well, it's up to you whether or not to use organic, but I do highly recommend it. Now mince the garlic. Start browning the ground beef over medium heat. Then add the garlic and finish cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. Use a few paper towels to soak up the excess grease from the meat. I recommend using a pair of tongs to do this to prevent burning. Transfer the ground beef to a large pot and add the onions and stir them in. Add the beef broth. And the seasoning mixture and stir all that together. Now add the beans, crushed tomatoes, the peppers, and the diced tomatoes, and stir all that together. Now cover it and bring it to a boil, turn down the heat, and let it simmer for 35 to 45 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button and please subscribe.